Hey, what's up? I'm going to do this quick little demonstration showing you framing boundary by Neat. And so you're going to go into your settings, device settings, admin settings, and you're going to punch in your password. Once you've done that, you go into audio video, you go into framing boundary. And so this is where you're going to adjust the boundary. And the reason you do this is that Neat utilizes Neat symmetry. And so if you don't want to capture people that are just randomly walking by the space, let's say you have a conference room with glass walls, or you're in an open area like this and people are walking by, you don't want the camera to try to pick them up and auto frame them. And so that's why you set this up. And so now I can just back up and you're going to see it turns red when I'm out of the boundary. So now I'm red. It won't try to frame me as I walk by. So I'm going to get my buddy Dwight here, and you're going to see he's going to be in red, and now I'm green because now I am within the boundary. So if Dwight were to walk by, he's not going to be seen, but I will be seen. And you can do this for the width and the depth. But again, just another quick little feature available through Neat Solutions. And if you'd like to learn more, feel free to follow me on LinkedIn. Thanks.